All who are looked at to be very obese have only a few options to lose weight when time period is very critical. Most have shifted from one kind of diet to another for a major part of their lives, but only to realize failure and also develop a sense of helplessness and hopelessness, which in turn leads to a very pessimistic approach in life. The general misconception about the over-obese people is that they were solely responsible, and if they chose otherwise they wouldn't be this fat. This is only a nice in theory but not true in practice generally. There are some medical conditions that cause certain bodily dysfunctions, and hence these people can't control weight they put on. There are environmental issues as well which can influence the weight as well. But it's ironic that many cases who are drug addicts and alcoholics are cared for and seen with better compassion than a person who is obese. Surgery itself is big surgery and isn't an option that can be taken carelessly without thought. Many people realize that surgery involves a big change in their lifestyle, also a new method of eating, which is a lifetime commitment. Due to these facts, it's suggested that all those getting the surgery must have a BMI greater than at least 40. This in turn means that it's advised for guys who are more than 100 pounds extra and women who have extra bulk of 80 pounds or so. One should carefully consider benefits and risks of such a surgery prior to deciding that surgery is the plan of action you are taking. Risks involved are great and must not be overlooked by desperation to reduce weight. Nutrition-based deficiencies result in 20% of people who have opted for this surgery as the end result in insufficiency of nutrients. This may cause osteoporosis and worse conditions as you grow old. Some complications result from surgery by itself. You will have lifetime issues when eating a lot or the incorrect kinds of food, and some who reach the goals find out that weight can come back at times. Like life itself, there is no assurance about weight loss surgeries. To decide whether or not you need this surgery, you should ask yourself some of the following queries which may help make up your mind in either way. How to lose weight? With the right food. Is my extra bulk hampering significant daily activities? Is my extra bulk causing any other condition which may harm my well-being? Is my extra bulk something I feel I should control by myself? Will I be able to handle consequences and all the follow-ups that are required? The main problem with many people who need to resort to surgery is the fact that they can't take control of the body again. The chances of a candidate for surgery getting rid of the fat by his own methods are very less, as he is most likely to have tried and also failed every other diet given in any book. You can only decide if or not surgery is a good option for your needs. But if you finally decide that's what you want to do, then discuss all possible consequences clearly with your doctor in order to avoid the possibility of any serious damage later on during your older years.